In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link a table to calendar in Notion. If you've already been tracking items in a Notion table and want to see those same entries on a calendar, without moving or duplicating anything, this is exactly what you need. We're going to make a linked view, which is simply another window into your existing database. It shows the same data, stays in sync in real time, and lets you choose a different layout in our case. A calendar so you can visualize dates at a glance. Start on any Notion page where you want this calendar to live. Click into the body of the page, type the /. Then type linked. From the options that appear, choose linked view of database. This tells Notion that you want to display a view of an existing database here, rather than creating something brand new. Next, pick your existing table database from the list. You'll recognize it by its title and location. Once you select it, Notion will drop a view of that database onto your page. Remember, this is the same source of truth as your original table. So anything you edit here will update there. And vice versa. It's a great way to keep your planning flexible without juggling multiple copies of the same information. At the top of this new linked view, you'll see View tabs. Click the plus tab and select Calendar. Notion will switch the layout from a table to a calendar grid so you can see your items organized by date. You can always jump back to the table by clicking its tab, and you can keep multiple views side by side to suit different workflows. For the calendar to place items on the correct days, your database needs a property called date. Set to the date type. The calendar uses that property to position each entry. If you notice items not appearing on the calendar or collecting in an unscheduled area, it usually means they don't have a date filled in or the property isn't a date type. Once the date property exists and your entries have dates, everything will automatically line up on the right day. You can also click into a calendar card to review or edit its details, just like you would from the table view. That's it. You've linked your existing table to a calendar in Notion, giving you a clean visual way to plan while keeping your single source of truth intact. Thanks for watching.